Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Festive Friday where we are going to use National Simplicity Day, and I am going to pick a couple of different things. So I'm in my summer traveler's notebook for my daughter, and we are going to do the 3 inspirational things that I am doing as I am pulling it up on my computer because I forgot to do that. So the 3 things that I am planning on using is the one single image or photo, the stitching, which is going to show up, and then I did the floral theme. Those are the 3 things that came together, and this is the new paper and sticker collection from Close to My Heart called Blush. It's their Bring It Back. I'll link it down below for you so that you guys can see it. It is in the shop and available to use now until the end of August, or until it runs out. So it is available now until the 31st of August unless it runs out. So I'll link it down below exactly to this. I would love, if you are loving what this looks like, this is one of my favorite collections that I am so glad that they brought back. And they brought back a sticker pack, which they never had before. So it is absolutely gorgeous and stunning. And you will see this week, you have seen one that went on my channel on Wednesday of this week, and then now Friday for Traveler's Notebooks. And I'm telling you, I just loved it. It was perfect. So this part right here, you are seeing me cut up the strip, the branding strip, and it had a bunch of little sayings to it. I have our Traveler's Notebook here and in my hand so I can read it off. And the 4 banners that I'm turning them into as you're seeing me cut them up. The first one that I put down is Dream. The next one is Do What You Love. The third one is Believe, and then the 4th one is You're My Inspiration. And that's my title. I absolutely love it. I think it's perfect. I think it's wonderful. It's just a blast. I absolutely love the fact that I came up with something completely different with this photo, because this photo, you can't tell it, but she is wearing my husband's sunglasses and they are out fishing. Now, I have not done the pictures that go previous to this set of pages, and those actually have the fishing derby that my husband and my daughter went on to. And so those are obviously going to be coming up on my channel. You guys know this, but I will tell you that I haven't done those particular pictures yet because I'm kind of like, not that I ever really play on like what they're doing in the photos, because you guys know that I don't. I mean, this is a fishing photo and I'm putting a bunch of flowers on it, but I am kind of, because there is going to be fish in there, I'm looking at doing some mixed media or something. And Paige Evans came out with a stencil, and I want to use it because this particular Traveler's Notebook that I'm using, that's off to the side that you can see right there, is from Rock Your Notebook from Best Solar. She makes handmade notebooks, traveler notebooks, and you can ask for whatever type of paper you want to put in there. And I always ask for the mixed media paper, because if I decide to do mixed media on there, I don't have to worrying about the paper. I know that it can handle whatever I decide to do. A lot of times you guys see me do it this way, where I have it and then I cut it and then I place it in there, but I can do mixed media in there, and you will see me do that. So I obviously already have her new set of stencils that came out for Paige Evans. I already have them. I just haven't done the layout yet. So ultimately, I am backing this one particular flower set. I did on one of the 12 by 12 papers that did come in this collection, you could fussy cut all of this stuff out. Even though that it is a sticker, in the 12 by 12 stickers that they put with this collection, I wanted to fussy cut at least one of those papers. And I didn't fussy cut all of it. I only fussy cut what I wanted to use. And I wanted to act like this flower was kind of in her hair. Now, I am going to tell you this. This is going to be... I am so absolutely positively grateful for Festive Friday's design team. I absolutely positively love them. But this is going to be my last layout for Festive Friday as a design team member. I am still going to do all of their channels or their layouts as they're coming up, and and their challenges and things like that. However, I decided that it is time for me to, I don't want to say be done with the layouts, but I wanted to move on. It has been they're a wonderful team. I absolutely love them. I know that Kelsey's probably going to talk about it too in her channel. If she doesn't, oops, I kind of then made an oopsie oops on my channel, but I know that her and I both are stepping down. This is going to be our last layout together for the design team. But I will tell you this. I absolutely love the team. They are absolutely amazing. It's just for me, I just needed to, I want to go big or go home, if that makes sense. And I have a couple things up my sleeve that I am trying to work on in the next few months. And I needed to open up some design team space. I am staying on shimmers and I am staying on Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file, but I wanted to cut back on this one because I'm working on something special in the next couple of months, and I just needed to open up a few little bits of space for me. So ultimately, I just wanted to say thank you to the team over there, Nicole, Beth, all of them, and all of them are amazing. I absolutely positively loved working with them. I think I'm going on a year and a half or almost a year and a couple months. Like, I've been doing this for quite some time now, and it's been, I'm going to tell you, I loved it. It's been amazing. Here I am. I will tell you that I am poking the holes. The very first one that I did, I poked every hole, and then the next one I poked every other hole. So you're gonna get, you're gonna see in the next, video part of this one, you will see the finished layout, or the finished of the stitching, I should say. And I did a straight stitch on the one that I did every hole, and then the every other hole, which was the second line, I did the chain stitch. I wanted to have a little bit of a different, I still wanted to keep this layout simple, but yet I wanted to add just that flair that I always did. And here it's back, so you can see I did the chain stitch on the flowers as well, and I just intensified around the bigger flowers and stuff. And you will see how I work down here to kind of fill this out. I do not do any journaling on this. I want to leave the banners as her inspiration. And then I do come in with gold splatters as well. You'll see me come in with that. And I don't do much more to this layout. I'm telling you, I kept this very simple. I do come in with Shimmers paints, which is the Sunset Strip. That's kind of been my new go-to gold. If you all know that I'm not a gold person, but as close as I can get to loving it. Now here I am, I'm cutting it, and you will see that I is going to place this in there. Now make sure that you go check out Kelsey for one last time for Festive Friday. She will be linked down below, along with, make sure that you go check out the blog to see everybody else's take on this particular one. And I hope that for one last time, follow me and post on there and see what happens. I normally stick with the design teams. You guys know I'm like very much whatever I get, I groove in, and being part of this team for almost 2 years has been a great time for me. So Just double check everything out over there for one last time, at least for my part. You see me putting those in. Do you just love how easy that is to put in a traveler's notebook? I mean, that's just perfect. And if you want to do something smaller but yet something quick, this ultimately took me 29 minutes. It took me 30 minutes to do. I was able to actually do 2 traveler's notebooks and film them in hour and 5 minutes. So the still shots are definitely coming up. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you. I do traveler's notebooks, as you can see here, 12 by 12, and I do design team layouts. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope that y'all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!